at your hamburger coming out of that jacuzzi, but you got them pork steaks to make you shaky. Huh?
Let me tell you something, you Jamaican people,
And
feel a lot of yourself.
And
why everything on my TikTok talk about Jamaican stew-peas, Jamaican banana,
and
Jamaican porridge,
and what?
Vincent Chan can't make porridge
and
too.
what? We're all that in a bag of chips.
What?
7 bags of chips.
So you think it's Jamaican alone could cook?
Of course.
No, why everything has to be Jamaican stew-peas,
because
Jamaican
we don't eat
banana,
slush, we
Jamaican
eat food with color, and we
thing.
eat food with
Other
flavor.
people can cook as well. Other people can cook.
I'm not sure about that.
Not only you guys can cook. Jamaican coconut milk. Me have coconut too. Me have coconut in Siemens. Susie,
Them the fresh.
Susie, you have coconut in Honduras.
Them the fresh.
Exactly. But everything on TikTok. Jamaican pigtail.
Yeah.
Jamaican oxtail.
Yeah.
Everybody else can cook.
Yeah.
Everybody else can cook. It's not just Jamaican can cook, right?
Food with color and flavor.
My food have color too.
I'm not sure.